GM partners with dealers. A Chevy Bolt EV halt. McLaren sharpens its benchmark and more. Good morning, everyone. I'm Laura Harris. Welcome to First Shift. Coming up, more on those headlines soon. But first, our lead story. Stellantis is set to cut 3,500 hourly U.S. jobs and will offer buyouts and retirement incentives to workers, ahead of negotiations with the UAW later this year. Retirement-eligible workers hired before ratification of Chrysler's 2007 contract with the UAW can get $50,000 to leave their job, while those with at least 1 year of service can receive a lesser payment. Departure dates are tentatively scheduled for June 30th through December 31st. General Motors is aiming for an electric future. The automaker is partnering with dealers to build an EV charging network in communities. GM is targeting 40,000 Level 2 chargers in communities across the U.S. and Canada by the end of 2026. The map on the screen shows possible locations for Level 2 EV charging sites through the automaker's dealer community charging program. Sticking with GM, the automaker will stop making the Chevy Bolt EV in late 2023 as it shifts focus to its next generation of electric vehicles. GM is spending $4 billion to overhaul the Bolt plant for production of the electric Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra pickups starting in 2024. You can read more on these stories in our newsletter, The Daily. To subscribe, go to the More section on our website and click Newsletters on the left side of the screen. Chinese EV maker BYD is China's best-selling car brand for the first time, as it dethrones Volkswagen and continues its rise. BYD passed VW with Q1 sales of more than 440,000 cars in China, while VW brand volume totaled just over 427,000. VW had been the best-selling brand among automakers in China since 2008. The trend reflects the declining influence of legacy foreign brands, as Chinese EV makers enter the market with increasingly sophisticated and affordable models. That story from Bloomberg. Get ready for the 2024 redesigned Mercedes-Benz EClass that features new software and technology that transforms the midsize sedan, making it mobile for work and an entertainment space. It arrives in the U.S. in late 2023 with new styling and the latest version of the MBUX infotainment system. Speaking of products, McLaren sharpens its benchmark 720S with the new 750S. McLaren's freshest supercar is the lightest and most powerful production model in the British Marks lineup. The latest model is faster, and about 30% of components are new or changed. McLaren America's boss says they're taking a benchmark product and enhancing it even further. Production will be limited, but not numbered. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift and online at autonews.com for updates from our reporters all day, every day. I'm Laura Harris. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.